It's the down here with security tip number 2. If this type of alert pops up on your computer, don't click on it. You're working at your computer when all of a sudden, bam, you get a pop-up that says your PC is infected with a virus and you must click here to run a scan or install antivirus software. This is a scareware tactic used by hackers to get you to download a virus. Often it appears to be a system alert. No matter how legit it looks, never, ever, ever click on the pop-up or even anywhere on the page. The safest thing to do is to close your browser. Do not click on the X, close, or cancel button in the pop-up or on the page, because clicking on anything on the page or pop-up could shoot that virus right into your computer. If that won't work, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete at the same time. To bring up your task manager, or on Mac, press Command plus Option plus Escape at the same time to force quit and close the web browser or application where it appeared. Next, notify your IT team. That would be us if you know what's good for you, that this has happened, so that we can double check with a real scan whether your computer has been hacked or not. That's it for tip number 2. Remember, it ain't personal, it's just business. Till next time.